Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be making a smoked pasta sauce, which we're going to put over spaghetti noodles. Now, at this point, we are using the barbecue rub blazing bourbon, naturally favored sweet heat. We got this from Kroger, and it's a pretty good one. So we're going to use a fair amount, over 2 pounds of ground beef here. We're just going to make sure that we get it all mixed in real well. Off to the side there, we also have a block of Parmesan cheese we're going to freshly grate, and we have some chopped jalapenos waiting to go in. So now that we got our meat seasoned, we're going to put it over the smoker, or right over the fire, just to start getting that meat brown and getting the grease evaporated. Alright, now that our meat's all cooked and nice, we're going to start adding in our sauce. And whenever you start this, you really want to get kind of quick at it. That way you keep as much of your sauce moisture as you can so it doesn't sit there and evaporate on you. We're going to put in 2 jars. We're going to make sure we get it really mixed thoroughly. Now that our sauce is mixed, we're going to mix in our jalapenos. Dump all that in there and mix that up real well. Going to give it a little bit of a spicy flavor, but not too bad. And these jalapenos were garden grown this year, so we're really excited about these. A little bit spicier than the store-bought, but they're still good. Alright, next we're going to throw in our freshly grated Parmesan off that block you saw earlier. We're going to mix this into the sauce as well. Much of this is going to melt, others aren't. It's alright, you just want to make sure you get everything all nice and orange. Alright, so now we've brought our cast iron in from the fire, and we're going to start spreading it over our noodles. Each plate gets about 2 heaping spoonfuls. You just want to slather it right across the top there. After that, we'll take a little bit more Parmesan and just sprinkle it across the top. And then this plate will be ready to go. We appreciate you guys watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you for the next one.